better than this.
Just pulled up to Leo's, about to give me a chicken cheesesteak. On Leo's is an iconic cheesesteak place in the Delaware Valley, Delco area. What's up, man? How you?
What's going on?
Good. You said a chop?
They talk about Monday. You better come back to work.
Alright, you're gonna be number 5.
Yeah.
Oh, you?
Yeah, me.
Yeah?
Done, son.
Okay. Yeah, I'm done too.
I know. Come on now. You been there long as me.
Yeah.
How many you had?
I was there 16 years. I've had a cheesesteak here before, but it was a while ago, so about to give me a chicken cheesesteak. I get a chicken cheesesteak, salt, pepper, ketchup, extra mayonnaise, and raw onions. That's it. Yep. Nice little week. Sorry, though.
Hey.
Cricket, nah, that was the welfare office. I remember them times.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna have to come back and get a turkey movie. That thing looks crazy. So I just got the food. Just gotta find somewhere to eat it at now. It's crazy. Stomach is growling. I'm real hungry. And I'm about to slam this. Salt, pepper, ketchup, extra mayonnaise, chicken cheesesteak, raw onions. Got the Baja Blast, no sugar. Try this out. Tastes like it too. Leo's chicken cheesesteak. Look at that. Meat just busting off the roll. Full of ketchup, full of onions, full of mayonnaise. Just looks delicious. I haven't had one of these in so long. So here we go. Actually, enough meat on here to feed 2-3 people. Look at that. Look at that meat just falling. Look at that. Look at that. Raw onions. This is it. Yeah. Chicken cheesesteak is excellent. Excellent. Don't get no better than this. Look at that. Can't even talk. It's just so flavorful, so juicy. It was just good. roll is nice and soft. Is this what I'm missing? You don't need a half of this to fill you up. It's just better than your corner store chicken cheesesteak. Yes, it is. For $12, you can't beat this. The other one was $5. Which wasn't bad either, but it wasn't this. Leo's been a staple in Sharon Hill for years. Years upon years upon years. I said this is the first time in about 7, 8 years that I had one of these. And this is what I'm missing. Pushing them like the hot chips. I don't need no chips on my chicken cheesesteak. They just put chips on it. Not this one. Don't need it. Ain't no room for it. Ain't no room for the chips on my chicken cheesesteak. I just eat these regular. I'll try and put down some of the second half. So the more I do these videos, I'm just starting to build relationships with people. Just keep moving forward. YouTube is making me really step out of my comfort zone. This piles of meat. Piles and piles of meat. Piles of meat. Piles of onions. Oh man. If you've never been to Leo's, I suggest you go to Leo's. Get you a chicken cheesesteak, a cheesesteak, a hoagie. It's all good. Matter of fact, just thought about something. Last time I had Leo's was in 2007. Why? I don't remember that day, but just know. Somebody asked me, was you eating a cheesesteak? And it actually was that day, but I was eating something else too. Before that got there. Wow, boy. You know, people gonna be like, oh, that's out Delaware County. They ain't got no good cheesesteaks. Yeah, they do. Put this up against any cheesesteak, chicken cheesesteak place I want to name. Any place. Call somebody I used to work with getting the cheesesteak from there. That's from Philadelphia. They know. People know. This is it. But when you don't know, you don't know.